section of the other side. Sorry about my mess of hair. Yeah, and there's like these little stains all over this, even in the back, front. But I don't want to show it. And I think she scribbled something on there. So I got my handy dandy scissors. I cut this open. So if you hear any background noises or people speeding up there, well, some people think it's like an open space, even though they shouldn't. I'm watching Disney Channel, which is Austin Alley is on. My sister, my brother might come down. My siblings. My dad might open up the door for getting back to work. My house is loud. I'm afraid if like the note is at the top. Anything? See like the okay, so I'll let you guys have the first piece. Note, I know your YouTube channel. Blah, blah, blah. Cameron, Chloe, Jack. Says, thank you for buying from me. No refunds in my invoice. It's on the other side. That. My invoice is a HK Toast, which is a Hello Kitty Toast. $4.99, a Cooler Donut, $5.99, an I Bloom Apple, $20.99, 5 egg, $5, Pitch Pad, which is for Kitty, Cake Roll, $6.49, Emoji Blind Bag, $10.47, and includes extras. Thank you for buying, plus follow me on Instagram. I'll tell you the Instagram name after you. And she used like, I forgot what they're called, but the dots that you use for time. And she scribbled something else, but she used, as you can see, like 2090. Yeah, I'm so excited. What's this emoji blind bag? I don't think you guys can really see that though, but it says emoji blind bag. It's funny because it's in a happy birthday bag. And they just take it. So that's kind of weird. Yes. And it's there. I'm on my bunk right on the top. What is this? This is a homemade squishy. And it's a sponge and it's just blah. I'm terrible at speaking today. Drew a emoji face on a sponge, put tape over it. It's very eerie. Super eerie. That's that, and I think it's an extra because like these ones that like silly squishy goes out. This is replica. Not replica. Well, it's not replica. It's not replica. It's nothing. It's not even replica. So that I'm really curious. Is this like cruel? Oh yeah. I think I didn't say that. Did I say my credit card? It's $15.99. $15.99. This is what I get. Oh no, it's $5.99. A taped up Cooler Donuts is the defected, and now it's taped up. Think that they fixed it. No, they did not. I'm really curious how the rest of this package is gonna go because we got an emoji thing and this, but yeah. So I'm not gonna try to get worried. Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, it says includes extra, so I hope this is an extra because I did order an I'm terrible at speaking today. I bloom apple, and this isn't apple, but it's in real apple. Like, I could hard as a rock. Hard as a rock. Oh my gosh. Seriously. Like, this is a real apple. Like, I can't even squish it. That really hurt it. Really curious how I'm trying not to worry. Look what happens in the package. Okay. This is a bread. Plus, I did wait almost about 2 months for this package. I think this is supposed to be an extra for my Hello Kitty tone. This is bread. And it's real. This is real bread, guys. Look. Take that off. It's real. Look at this. It's real. It's a bag of bread. I'm really disappointed, but I really don't want to get stressed out. I hope this is not my Hello Kitty cake roll. I paid $6.49. Plus, that Hello Kitty cake roll, Hello Kitty toast, doesn't even have the symbol on it. And I paid $4.99 for this. $4.99 for a piece of bread. You can get a loaf, 2 loaves at the place I get it, for $1.99. So includes extras too in it. Thank you for this. Because it has like swirls. Thank you for an extra. Thank you for that extra. Very kind. Including extras. Okay, so this is my surprise egg. I paid $5 for. Ew, it's... That's... Ooh. that. Okay, wait. That smells disgusting. That might eyes are like watery. You know what it smells like? It smells like vinegar and like something rotten. Mushed together. Like if you had a blender. There's one thing left in this package. And it says extra. Oh my gosh. So this is my Hello Kitty toast. The only real squishy I got is this, which is a lot, and has a bunch of tape. Like, this is a Halloween bag, and it's close to Christmas already. Okay. Well, I got this just glitter eyeshadow. Really cute. Like the crystal says Canada 5. in Canada or something, because that's Canada. Eat your sweets. That's the top. And cake box at the bottom. But these are all used up. All of them. All of them. Thank you for that, but I can always put it on the back, but kind of see through it, so I'll learn how to use all that, because like I trace it, you know. Yeah, so thank you for that. Oh, I forgot there's nothing else in the bag, so let me put this bag. Okay, so I got this. Really good. I don't think that. But I didn't do it on my phone. It's better if I be in a minute. So, anyway, this thing. This. Right back, I promise. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I thought I heard something after that. So as I was saying, I heard this. A Shopkins pencil. It is sharpened. It has a pinky razor. Looks like it's already used. I don't like sugar a lot. Like, it wiggles a lot, and then it'll just go off. So this was a definitely disappointed video. No more extras, which that's okay because it's extras. No more stuff in the bag. I guess this piece of real bread with my Hello Kitty curler donuts, lime bloom apple, fries egg, cake roll, emoji blind bag, and then the rest is just extras. I'm really disappointed. Look, it's like defects all the way there. And like the little stick is about to come out, but it's really cute. I like the part better. Thank you for that, and do not buy from this seller. As I was saying, I was going to say it at the end. Her Instagram name, well, just block her. I'll be right back, and I'm going to go. That just cut off. I'm going to go see if this is my package. Okay, so I did see it. This was my package, and it is my package. So I said, I need a refund. So no refunds. You were easily to buy from me, and you shouldn't have bought from me. I am a known scammer. So that is bad. So yeah, block her. What I did is I blocked her on all social medias, everything. I blocked her, everything. So yeah. Her Instagram name is. Her name is okay. Her name is. This is a spoof. Her Instagram name is not. This is a spoof. No, like this video is a spoof. Spoof. And so yeah, I just made up this, and it's really defective. So I just like taped it up, and I just made this squishy yesterday with the sponge. I just taped it, and I just had I gotta find out still, so I just did this, and save it to this, and like all these. I drew all the like when I was little, so I still have these. This one I also have pink. I just grabbed this red piece of bread because we have like 6 loaves of bread. Like, I got this egg roll from the egg roll. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I love apples. Look at this. Like it's bedtime. Well, it's not bedtime. Like it's close to bedtime. But always get bedtime snacks, and if you hear the zzz, my sister's in the shower. Look at Java. Okay, make sure you subscribe to or I always said horrible. Terrible. It's like spelling and saying words today. Like I said, make, and I forgot the A. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, which is Gabby's Sisters. Follow me on Musical.ly, Gabby's Sisters. Follow me on Lively at Gabby's Sisters. I get an Instagram. I'm going to be using Gabby's Sisters, but someone already took it. I'm going to be using Gabby's Sisters 105. Someone else took it. I'm going to use Gabby's Sisters 106. Gabby's Sisters 106, 105. 101. Gabby's Sisters 105, 106. Or 01, 03, 07. Something like that. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want more future videos, you smash the bell button, which would be giving you notifications anytime I upload new videos. But sorry if I don't upload videos often anymore. But I'm going to be making more squishy videos because this channel is going to be mostly squishies now. So guys, thank you guys for watching. And if I ever get a squishy package and it says not a spoof on the title, that means it's not. So, but I'm getting a squishy package from Wish, 20 pieces, random pieces, for $18, which I think that's a pretty good deal, and an ice cream shortcake for $3. So yeah, well I think it's ice cream. I'm getting a strawberry kind. It doesn't choose me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys stay to the end, if you commented, have a happy Christmas, I will subscribe to your channel and like your videos. I'll like 5 videos. If you don't have like 5 or under, if you don't have no videos, that's alright. So yes, there might be a squishy giveaway, there might not. If we get to 50 subscribers. So yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, you can say have a happy Christmas. And then I will subscribe to your channel and have 5 or less likes on your video. So yeah, make sure you smash the like button. And thank you for clicking on the video. You guys are the best. You guys really mean a lot to me. So, you guys are the best. Like you don't actually mean it, actually. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.